Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba enjoyed a very successful first day trading on the New York Stock Exchange. In the run-up to its initial public listing, it was courting overseas talent, including former Nokia employees who were laid off after a recent restructuring at Microsoft. This comes as a number of Chinese high-tech firms have been seeking to recruit VIP executives from global companies to lead their operations. More now in this report.
The Alibaba IPO has sparked a race for global talent among Chinese technology companies. There are a handful of examples. Alibaba itself has hired several foreigners for its C-level suite. For example, last year with Michael Zeiser, a former Liberty Media Corporation executive, to run the firm's US investment team. Or Hugo Berra, one of the highest-ranking Western managers so far to join a Chinese technology company. He was hired away from Google to lead the Chinese smartphone maker's international expansion. Tencent has hired 3 foreigners as executives with China's hot messaging app WeChat.
I actually think it's a natural progression. If you look at any multinationals, they truly are multinational, and they look for the talent that they need for maybe the next 3-5 years and say, okay, where can I go get that?
Well, I think in a global marketplace, you have to have global talent. And, for us, when we help companies go into other markets, one of the most important things is the cultural understanding and the ability to operate in that market.
NYSE, a Chinese provider of software engineering and IT services with headquarters in Shenyang, was the first listed software company in China. It was founded in 1991 with a startup capital of just $3,000.
Our operation in Europe, only one Chinese, a few hundred local people. In US, we use a local American to manage all our business. In Japan, we also have many Japanese employees.
Alibaba now plans to step up its business in the United States and Europe after its much anticipated offering in New York, and has been redesigning its business for the mobile internet era by investing in key mobile services and technologies, including a mobile browser, mapping and social media. For its global outreach, it might well take more foreigners on board. Whether a globalized leadership will help more Chinese companies set record-breaking IPOs in the future remains to be seen. Martina Fuchs, CCTV News, Beijing.